Hello, my good people, amazing people in the house, my amazing people in the house. Good day to you all. Welcome to Godsend and Precious TV. Guys, today na your first day wey you dey see this beautiful pitch video. You never subscribe for us. Please, no just pass like that. The moment if you will finish watch this our video, I beg, may you press that red button for us. After that, may you like am for us before you comot. For our all-time subscribe, we thank you now well. We appreciate you now for the love you guys show us, the way una take dey love us, the way una take dey watch our video, the way una take dey support us. We really appreciate you guys. Today, before I go to the reason why I dey here today, first of all, this our TV, we dey talk about love your neighbor as you love yourself, and we talk about we dey still dey talk about life experience. Wetin happen to your friend, you use am get sense. Wetin happen to your neighbor, you use am get sense. Wetin person talk for YouTube, you use am get sense. So we dey talk and we see dey sell all kind of hair, any kind of human hair you need, we get am. If na Brazilian hair, we get am. If na Indian hair, we get am. Anyone you need, we dey sell am. And we still get our product wey we dey sell. E dey call Fit Screamer Tail. E be like Lifton. The way they used to take Lifton, na you still take am. E dey work. Make you no look am say me I fat because I get baby wey still dey suck my breast, so I no fit take am. E dey work well. Na only 14 days na dey work. The money not too big. If you need am, just inbox me. If you dey buy the recharge card, they call Africa. You dey subscribe for your phone, you go fit afford am because the money na chicken change. If you need am, the way till dey work, just 14 days before you take one packet finish. The 14 wey dey inside the packet, before you take am finish, you will see different for your body. E no dey make you dey run to toilet when you go shit. E no dey make you dey say you come sleep, belle go come dey pay you. No, if you just take am, just be like Lifton in the morning, wey we see dey take Lifton that time in the morning. Na so e just be. If you dey interested, say you really need am, you wan know how it dey work, you wan really try am, e no too cost. E no be 50 talk am say you buy am 50 and you just throw away your 50. No, like as I said before, say if you can buy the recharge card, you can subscribe for your phone, you can afford it. Just a chicken change. If you need it, just inbox me. So today, my topic go like this. Na question. Say me I like to dey ask question for this my TV. Question na I take on because my friend just call me yesterday say his sister, he and her sister dey fight. Say he and her sister dey fight now, him mama join am. I say wetin happen? He say because say he come Europe, he just born. No be say he no see dey support him mama for her, so he just born. His sister never born. But anything you happen now, him mama go just dey quarrel. If they quarrel now, I mean, he and his sister go dey quarrel. Before he and his sister quarrel now, him mama go just join am. Now I say, may I say come out. No, na see help me vandalize the matter. Pikin, they see favorite pikin, or they see the one with the love pass for the pikin. No be pikin na pikin. Joy is my daughter. Victory is my daughter. Joshua is my son. No be that they see. Abi? So the girl come tell me say, sorry, na lady. And you also call her lady. At least it don't pass 25 years. Na lady. So he just tell me, as I say, don't born. He just tell me, say, sister, see what happen. Because say he come here. Now he and her husband, I gotta come off from Nigeria. Now even the sister when they talk so, no be that sister can I call Europe. The sister de Nigeria, he de Europe, he in de Nigeria. His sister no man now. You know ask her whether I go school. You know ask her whether I go let work. You know ask her what he go do for life. So blah blah wake up the follow Nana. The boy, his sister say, me the boy come Europe. The boy come take she and a handbag follow come Europe. The boy Nana, his sister one verse. Now the boy contact his sister say, okay, no worry. If not so, if you reach here, he go give you some more change. His sister, the boy use and pull his sister for speed. Meanwhile, as they go, they come for road. God come bless them. The girl come get belle. As he get belle, he come enter. God in heaven can really do one. He come enter Europe. His mama pikin come up for house. His mama no ask her a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. He no find pikin because the girl talk and say, now he tell me say, his mama no has one day say the pikin because he anything what he call the pay and pass. If his mama, if his sister bring money, come, your mama take am finish. If they hear anything just happen for house, your mama go your carry phone. Joy oh, your mama go tell you Joy. The word wey your mama talk, na Joy go tell. Now you go do something. You know, ask whether you go school, whether you go let work. You know, ask. Wanna look whether you good though. You still marriage, a husband, a boyfriend that time. You still marriage, carry and follow body nana as handbag, carry and reach here nana. Your mama say you not build that, you go the boom. When you ask me whether my mama send that call you because of that one, nana, your mama call the quarrel every day. Mama they curse one, they curse her. The mama go your call her for phone, go your the curse her. Hey, as you say you call Europe, you are born, you want call born, not call Nigeria. You see that born, you see that. Let me come and say, you not challenge your mother. You say how? I said you challenge and say, mommy, as you tell me say, me come Europe, I know builders. Whether you know the time we take off for Nigeria, or whether na chief follow you go meet person will carry you come Europe, or na you pikin wey fair the day here, na you carry and come. The girl say that say you go your talk. I don't say I know say me you insult her. I just say just ask her that question. Say when you dey talk about that one. You know how I take on Europe? Man will carry me on Europe, say me I dey born. Say me I born. Say what when you get, now two of us get on. I know cope with my husband. Let me you ask your mother that question. Or that your sister. When you say you come Europe, you don't even though you dey born second pikin, you just dey 5 years for Europe, you don't born 2 times. May you ask that your sister whether na her address that you take enter Europe. So they tell me I can't dey think I can't even the reason I say why mother go do like that. Picking and wet not be the same because I asked you that day say money and picking which one dey important pass. I asked you that day. You dey hear me? I see the comment where you guys comment. No one no good, money good, children good, born and picking and good pass. You hear me? As mother, don't be say the girl husband wey we dey talk so. The girl husband they go to give him mama $100 every month. That one not rich. His mama no dey tenants. His sister wey fair dey here, he built 2 flats for his mama for Benin. Waiting he say for Edo State, but they not be Benin, but there was according to the girl. But because I know the girl for here, they was born and brought up in Benin, but they are not from Benin. You hear me? Okay, tell me. You say her husband go dey give the mama $100 because her husband dey work. Go as they all enter here, that pikin wey dey carry enter here. Because according to how the girl tell me, say they all reach here. He never reach 3 days. Now she just born. She just born. Now they just say her husband never even spent 5 months when they give her work. He write contract for her. Then they pay the boy well. He say the boy is gonna give your mama $100 every month. My people, you not good. When mama say they call a pikin early in the morning, go your caller, they curse her. Eh? The girl gonna tell me say, you see your one and he use her life to favor her mother. So you see they want me consider me do like that. I say it's not fair. Everybody is not the same. Your choice is not my choice. And so enough mumu for you, may yore mumu for you, or every enough mumu for you, may vichu mumu the same. No. They hear me? Because the girl say he see the experience. The high mama, he experienced high mama, they lavish her sister money. He also say, you know, if people press, you know, go come this, you know, go call Europe. As the boy went in the friend, then I near that time, say he want to come out, he must follow him. He used to say, okay, can't no be money, may he follow the boy. As he come, they come for road, they touch each other, belle enter. He come because he want to be that so mama may about pikin where God give her. The people, they make me come. Just I can't advise mother, especially mother. I use this video to advise mother. If you have a child, as you watch this my video, you have a child. Victory destiny is not joy destiny. Precious destiny is not Victoria destiny. Everybody get different face. We have different destiny. We may have the same face, but we have different destiny. Hear me? If your child call Europe, say you want born, let him or her born. If he born, don't want to say me not bring money come for you. Money not say me pikin not build us. Money not say me pikin not take care of your mama. They hear me? If pikin even born for Europe, sef, now they even they see favor pass. Please, mother, me will take am easy. If you, as you dey watch this my video, if you and they do the same thing, say you value Pedro pass John, or you value John pass Victory, or you value Victory, or you put Victory put for Pedro hand, please try to stop it. Stop it. It's very bad. All child not the same. Don't put little one hand on top of the other one, or because the little one they bring money come. You can't allow the little one come they start to the other one anyhow. You not good, my mother. As they watch this video, mother, you get pikin where you love pass, please. Even though you get her for your mind, keep it to yourself. Not show her to her. Say na you love pass. It's short. Who not get today go get tomorrow. Pikin na pikin. May you know they cause your children. The only thing wey you dey do, as they grow, they come that time. My grandmother they put her for breast like this. You go pray for all your children. That one. Now let me see you. Please, mother, as you watch this video, if you dey behave like that, try to change. Guys, as you watch this video, please, if you are the same shoe, exactly the topic, I just say, don't worry, God is your strength. Because Bible makes us understand that He will be a mother to those who don't have mother, and I will be a father to those who don't have father, husband to those who don't have husband, and a wife to those who don't have a wife. God is your strength. Don't worry. Do not think it. All is well. Continue praying. One day, God will change your mother's mind, and He will love you the way He love your sister, or the way He love your brother. Guys, I still talk again. See my products. If you are interested, just inbox me. I'm available any moment, any time. Even though at night you can't get me, something a business, I'm available. Just inbox me. It's a secret change. It's not a cost. If you dey buy the share card, they call Africa. You dey subscribe for your phone. They do subscription every month. How much can be where you take back, where you take look beauty? See where I be so. You see my face. You see, if you want to know the secret of my face, inbox me. Subscribe. Inbox. Subscribe. See you in my next video. And make sure you drop a positive comment. And let's talk about this topic. As some men mother, take the value one, pass one, because say one they bring money, pass the other one, and which is very bad. Guys, as you watch this video, you never subscribe. Don't pass like that. Oh, subscribe for God and the precious. So, our ultimate subscribe, we appreciate it, guys. We really love you, guys. We love you, guys. Continue to support us. Continue to share our video. As you do, God bless you. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye for now.